Hey guys, in this video I want to be answering the question if you can set a stop loss on DEX Screener. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what I'm going to do is head on over to dexscreener.com, and now I'm just going to click on a random coin here. So I'm going to do this one here, and now on the right hand side we've got buys and sells. But at this point in time, DEX Screener doesn't allow you to set stop losses directly on DEX Screener because it's primarily a charting and analytics tool for decentralized exchanges, DEXs. However, you can set a stop loss on decentralized exchanges using DeFi trading bots or platforms that support automated trading. So a quick rundown how to set a stop loss for DEX trades. So you can use a trading bot like platforms like 1inch Fusion, Unibot, Maestro or Apex Trader allows you to automate stop loss orders on DEXs. You've got smart control protocol. So some DeFi tools such as Gelato, Hummingbot or DeFi Saver enable stop loss execution on chain. And also limit order DEXs. So some decentralized exchanges like Kyber Swap or 1inch limit order protocol allow stop loss like orders by setting predefined excess prices.